Many people get this wrong because they will say this is the same thing as 100 divided by 1 times 10 is 10 over 10. So that this is equal to 10 over 10 is 1. So 100 divided by 1 is equal to 100. But this here is wrong. Because if we follow the right order of operation, Bodmas, where B is brackets, O is order, that is if there is any exponents, D is for division, M is multiplication, A is addition, and S is subtraction. If we follow this order in solving this problem here, the first thing we'll do, solving from left to right, is we first attend to the division, which will be 100 divided by 1 over 10. So we do that, 100 divided by 1 over 10. Now we know that any number standing alone like this is over 1. So this is 100 over 1 divided by 1 over 10. So if we follow the KCF rule, alright, where this is keep, we'll keep the 100, we'll change the sign, this is change and this is flip. So we will flip this, we'll have this to be, keep the 100, change this sign to multiplication, and then we flip this to be 10 over 1. So this becomes 100 times 10, and that is 1000. Alright, so now it is 1000 times 10, and that is 10,000. So this is the right answer to that question. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment your thoughts in the comment below. See you in the next one. Bye.